Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. So my first DIY would be this pumpkin decor. So I'm going to separate this piece of the wooden pumpkin that's attached and also the raffia bow, and basically going to use the back part of it, so removing the tag. And I'm planning to paint this white using apple barrel white paint and let it dry, and I'm going to give another coat so I get like a nice coverage. So while this pumpkin is getting dried, I'm going to paint this small pumpkin piece, and this I use for another project. I'm going to repurpose it and paint white on it, and I'm going to take this animal print gift wrap paper, black and white, on top of this pumpkin, and I'm going to decoupage it with a little bit of Mod Podge. I'm going to brush it with my paintbrush, and I'm going to spread this gift wrap paper. I'm also taking a dab of a Mod Podge on top of this, and I'm going to spread it to get like nice sheen. So I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to take care of the small pumpkin, and I'm going to do the same but with a different color. I have this pink animal print, so I'm going to use the pink animal print wrap paper on top of this. So using a little bit of Mod Podge, I'm going to spread Mod Podge and attach this pink animal print gift wrap paper on top of it. So both of my pumpkins are dried, big and small, black and pink. So since the small pumpkin already had a jingle block on it, so I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue and attach it in just front of the pumpkin, just like that. Now my pumpkin needs little embellishment, so I'm going to take one of this jute a burlap ribbon from another sign, and I'm going to attach that. And this is one of the pink burlap rose that's lying in my stash, so I thought like that would just complement whole decor. So there it is. And also it needs like little raffia bow. I'm attaching that as well. So what do you think? This is the final reveal. So I'm just loving this animal background, one with the black and one with the pink animal print. And I can't believe I made this all using Dollar Tree items. Like you saw the process, I decoupaged them and I stuck it together, and it's such a beautiful project. I'm just loving this project, so let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Crafting for Cause, and for this month's cause would be Breast Cancer Awareness and Research, and this is hosted by Theresa BDIY and Mackenzie Lumbermill. And this is the link of the organization that we are supporting, and help us support to support this organization. And I'll leave the link of this website also in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the participants. On to DIY number 2. And I'm also going to repurpose one of my other projects, and I'm going to sand down this wooden home sign, and I'm going to paint white with the same apple barrel white paint. I'll let it dry and also give another coat on top of it. And this tiny pumpkin from the previous sign, I'm going to paint the back part of it with some more white apple barrel paint, and I'm going to use this on this home. Now my home sign is all dried. I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge and then attach the same animal print gift wrap paper and attach it on top of it. And I make sure all the air bubbles are left out so I don't have any wrinkles. Again, once dried, I'm going to take one more coat of Mod Podge on top of it just to give like a nice shine to it. And this tiny pumpkin is all dried. I'm going to take a Sharpie and going to draw the borders just to highlight the pumpkin shape. Now I have to bring everything together, so I'm going to take one of this a beautiful diamond gem and attach it like that, facing up. And I'm going to use one of the raffia bow from another sign, and using a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to stick on top of the home, just like that. Now I'm taking a dab of a hot glue and I'm going to attach a piece of pumpkin that we decorated it on top of the gem. And this is another animal print fall project, and this is one of the wooden block home sign with one of the pumpkin sign from another sign, and also this is one of the raffia bow from another sign. I just wanted to attach the same animal print background, so give like a cohesive collection of it. So yeah, there it is. I'm just loving this home with a fall theme, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. DIY number 3. I'm taking this wooden maple leaf and I'm going to decorate this as one of the Garland decor. So let's start. And again, I'm going to start painting this with the same apple barrel white paint, and I'm going to let it dry and wait for another coat. I'll give like 2 coats. And looks like paint is dried, so I'm going to decorate this with the same technique of decoupage by cutting the piece of animal print gift wrap paper, and I'm going to use the same Mod Podge and stick it on top of this maple leaf. It was a bit of a task, and finally it's there. So this is our garland. What do you think? And this is my garland, which I've been using it for most of the projects. I changed the tag, and this time it is like the maple leaf with animal print on it. So I wanted to add to this collection of projects. So there it is, and I'm loving this one as well. Let me know your thoughts on this too. And the final reveal. So these are the few simple and easy and different look of fall projects that I wanted to give. I wanted to give like animal print theme. So these are the few projects that I wanted to share with you all today. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me as much as I did. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.